Your car's engine is built to last, but here's the truth most mechanics will never tell you. The wrong additive can quietly eat away at your engine until it fails completely. At the same time, the right additives can protect it for hundreds of thousands of miles. Today, I'm revealing 13 additives that keep your engine running like new, and 3 popular ones that actually cause more harm than good. But before we start, a quick personal request. Running this channel takes a lot of time, research, and effort. Every subscription helps me continue paying my college fees, while giving you car tips that save you money. So, if you'd like to support gear specs and protect your car, please hit that subscribe button, it really makes a difference. Alright, let's dive in. Number 1. Fuel injector cleaners. These additives dissolve carbon deposits that clog injectors. Used every 5,000 miles, they restore fuel spray patterns, improve mileage, and keep your engine smooth. So, let's talk about octane boosters, specifically the quality ones. If you own a turbocharged or performance car, the right octane booster prevents knock and protects pistons. But, you should avoid cheap brands because they often contain chemicals that leave residue. Moving on to oil stabilizers. Especially for high-mileage cars, oil stabilizers thicken worn-out oil, reduce friction, and protect seals. You can kind of think of it as giving your engine a protective coat of armor. Next up, transmission fluid conditioners. While not strictly engine-related, these keep seals flexible, prevent leaks, and reduce stress on the motor by keeping the drivetrain running smoothly. So, let's talk about diesel fuel additives. For diesel owners, additives that improve cetane rating and lubricity are a must. They help prevent injector wear and honestly extend the life of those expensive fuel pumps. Now, if you own an old-school engine designed for leaded gasoline, lead substitutes are pretty important. These additives prevent valve seat damage. Seriously, they're a simple must-have for vintage rides. Alright, moving on to upper cylinder lubricants. They create a thin protective film on valves and pistons, which helps reduce friction where oil just can't reach. This can add thousands of miles to your top-end components, which is kind of a big deal. Alright, let's talk about cooling system additives. These, improve heat transfer, prevent hot spots, and help reduce corrosion inside your radiator. Engines definitely live longer when they stay cool. Next up, fuel stabilizers. So, if you store your car or, don't drive it very often, fuel stabilizers help prevent gasoline from going stale and forming those nasty varnish deposits. Now, moving on to oil detergents. High-quality ones can actually dissolve sludge buildup and keep oil passages clear, making sure your engine breathes properly. So, let's talk about zinc additives, or ZDDP. For engines with flat tappet cams, zinc is absolutely critical to prevent metal-to-metal wear. Without it, your cams can wear out really fast, which is definitely something you want to avoid. Modern fuels almost always contain ethanol, and the thing is, ethanol actually attracts moisture. That's where ethanol treatments come in. These additives help prevent water separation and corrosion in your fuel system, which is super important for keeping things running smoothly. Now, moving on to ceramic engine treatments. These newer additives form a microscopic ceramic coating on your engine's internal parts, which helps reduce both wear and heat. It's kind of like having space-age technology working for your daily driver. And now, the 3 additives that do more harm than good. First up, chlorinated additives. Some older miracle additives use chlorinated paraffins, which honestly can corrode your bearings. You should avoid these at all costs. Next, PTFE or Teflon additives. Even though they're marketed pretty heavily, Teflon can actually clog your oil filters and starve your engine of lubrication. It's really more snake oil than science. Overly thick oil additives, the kind that are almost honey thick, can actually do more harm than good. While stabilizers are generally helpful, these extreme additives can end up suffocating those small oil passages in your engine. So instead of offering protection, they basically starve your engine. So now you know. The 13 additives that actually protect your engine, and the 3 fake ones that could totally destroy it. Use this knowledge, and you'll avoid being scammed at the parts store, while also adding years to your car's life. And hey, if you learned something new today, please consider subscribing to Gear Specs. Every subscription doesn't just support this channel, it honestly helps me keep paying my college fees while bringing you practical, money-saving car advice every single week. And if you thought this was eye-opening, just wait until you see our video on 10 car repair secrets mechanics never tell you. That one could save you thousands in repairs. Click here and I'll see you there.